Welcome to my channel, ketomealsandrecipes.com. Today I'm going to make a very versatile and absolutely delicious lemon vinaigrette. The vinaigrette is very easy to make. It's creamy, refreshing, and really livens up any salad you're making, such as my Mediterranean broccoli salad, which is the next video I'm posting. And like all of my recipes, it's keto, sugar-free, gluten-free, and made with only healthy ingredients. The macronutrient ratio for this lemon vinaigrette is an amazing 18.1 to 1, with 1.8 grams of total carbs, 0.2 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 1.6 grams of net carbs per serving. Before starting today, I want to introduce you to my new friend. I know it's very hard for some creatures to find food during the winter. I have been feeding my little squirrel friend by putting walnuts, almonds, and whatever bits of vegetable and fruit that I had underneath my patio table. And what I noticed is that lovely little squirrel would jump on my kitchen windowsill and have its lunch there. And after a week or two, I noticed that even after it finished its meal, it would just sit on the windowsill and watch me. And I noticed that the squirrel would stay there for long periods of time. So I thought I would show you and share with you this little story. Now let's get back to our recipe and make this quick and easy salad dressing. To make it, all you have to do is get a small mixing bowl and add in all of the ingredients. I started with my olive oil, then I poured in the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, mince and add the garlic to the bowl. Drop in your smooth Dijon mustard. Don't use the granulated for this recipe. And I'm also going to add my dry spices, the thyme leaves, the basil, and finish everything with a seasoning of salt and pepper. The last thing you have to do is then whisk very well until the mixture looks creamy and the oil and mustard have emulsified, like this. Because this is a lot more than I would use in any one serving, I'm going to transfer the lemon salad dressing into a sealable jar. This lemon vinaigrette will keep very well for 1 to 2 weeks if stored in a glass airtight container in your refrigerator. However, in my next video, I will use some of this lemon salad dressing with an absolutely fabulous Mediterranean salad. Please come back when I post that video, and do let me know what kind of salad you would like, or if there's a suggestion you can make that I can add to my channel. If you do like my channel and my recipes, please share the link with someone you think might also like these recipes. Until next time, I wish you good health and happiness. Cheers!